Getting a pairing failed internal alert error on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to software glitches, outdated iOS or watchOS, or connection problems during the pairing process. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the pairing failed internal alert error on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all. After erasing all, try to repair again. And this is how you can solve the pairing failed internal alert error on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.